Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate in Instagram Reels after posting. With collaboration feature in Instagram, another person can easily post the reel that you have just posted. To collaborate in Instagram Reels after posting, you need to first open your Instagram application. Make sure that you are logged in. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on your profile on down right corner. After this, here you can see your profile and then you can select any of the reel, or you can also tap on reel option on the middle and then look for the reel that you want to collaborate with. After this, tap on the certain reel that you have posted. Now here you can see three dots on the right side. Tap on the three dots. Then here you can see manage option. Tap on manage. After this, tap on edit option on the first. With this, now here you can see edit section. Now here you can see tag people option. Tap on tag people. Then here you can see two option, add tag and invite collaborators. Tap on invite collaborators. Now here you can go on the search bar on the top and look for any user that is your Instagram friend. Then tap on their profile. After this, you can tap on tick mark on the top. With this, now you'll be able to invite them for the collaboration on the reel. Now again, tap on the tick mark on the top right corner. With this, now you'll be able to invite another person for Instagram collaboration on reels. With this, the another person or the user needs to accept the request of the collaboration, and then both of you will be able to collaborate on the Instagram reel. You can select many people as you want for the Instagram Reels collaboration. This is how we can collaborate in Instagram Reels after posting. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.